this 3 times. There you have it. Everything's working good.
So the first thing that we're going to do is grab the key box out of our install kit. You're just going to use a little screwdriver, pop it open here. We need to take the battery out of one of the remotes, and then the remote is going to reside in the box. Close it up, and then it has a port here that plugs into our harness. So to remove the battery, you have a little press tab on each side, so just go ahead and push that, and then you can pull the key shank out. Push those same deals and pull the piece out right there, and there will be a battery in here, which obviously I've already removed, so pop it out. Go ahead and reassemble the key, and step 1 is done.
Alright, so today we're going to be putting in the 12-volt solutions remote start kit in 2019 Audi RS5. In order to do that, I come over and open the trunk, and then we're going to access this panel here. Turn that clip, pull that out of the way. But first, in order to access where we need, this whole assembly here has to come up out of the way. And if you can see down, perhaps in there, you have to pull this tab right here. Basically, just pull it up and lift this up. Once you do that, this just flips out of the way here. Right there is that 10mm nut. We're going to take that off. Once that 10mm nut comes off, basically this assembly here just flips up.
And now that we have access to all of the connectors, we're ready to plug the harness in. Grab your pry tool or your screwdriver. These do have the lock clips on it, so basically they're down. You cannot get to the clip, so just pop that little red tab up, and now you can push the tab in and release it. You will be able to see that on our harness here, how that is positioned. So go ahead and take that one out. I usually do these one by one. You plug it in, pop the tab down, go ahead and plug our harness back in, and do that for the following connectors. Once you have everything installed at the BCM, grab the key box and plug the green connector into it. Now that our harness is completely installed, we're ready to go ahead and program the module. Please refer to the module programming video for the most up-to-date programming procedure, and also for proper connection of the wiring harness to the module.
Alright, so now we got that all installed, and you'll see, in order to start it up, press this 3 times. There you have it. Everything's working good. If you want to shut it off, you can do the same thing 3 times and it shuts it off. And of course the phone app is really helpful too. And